K5, it's time for our board work. We're going to start with our phonics, with our letter sounds. We're going to begin with reading long and short vowel words. All right, so you look at the word and think whether it has one or two vowels, whether the vowel's long or short. Cane. Glue. Set. Leaf. Rat. File. Quack. 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 Quail. 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 Feel. Rate. Keep. Seat. Sue. Last one. Can. All right, good job, boys and girls. Now we're going to do a little spelling on the board. All right. The first word that we're going to spell is the word yes. Yes. Now, what's that first sound that you hear in yes? Yes. What letter is that? Y. Now, listen to your middle vowel sound. Yes. Yes. What middle vowel sound do you hear? E. And your ending sound. Yes. Yes. What ending sound do you hear? S, which is what letter? S. All right, and remember, we always read it to make sure we got it right. All right, so read this word. Did we get it right? Yes. Yes. Yes, we did. All right, next word. I'm going to spell the word hug. Hug. What's the beginning sound that you hear in hug? Hug. H, which is what letter? H. Now listen for the middle vowel sound. Ugh. Hug. What middle vowel sound do you hear? Which is what letter? U. And the final sound that you hear, the final consonant? Hug. Hug. What sound do you hear at the end of hug? G. What letter is that? G. Now read the word to see if we got hug. 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 Yes, we did. Now the last word that we're going to spell is bit. Bit. What's the beginning sound you hear in bit? B. What letter is that? B. Now we want to make sure we don't write a D, so you would need to think about which direction a D goes in. Okay? And the D goes in a different direction than the B. Okay, so that is a D. All right. Oh, I was trying to write a B. Silly me. That is a B. It goes in the same direction. Okay? Now, bit, it. What middle vowel sound do you hear? It. And what letter is that? I. All right, and then our final sound, bit. What letter is that? T. All right, now I want you to read it to see if we got it right. Bit. Bit. Yes, we did, didn't we? All right, very good. Now, boys and girls, we are going to practice our special sounds. Okay, we're going to go over all the older ones, and then we'll go over our new ones. All right, so we'll start with the yellow cards. Let's do this fast. Do you think you could say them fast? Especially the yellow cards, I think you could. You ready? K and duck, C, K. E and me, E. O and go, O. I and fly, Y. A and pray, A, Y. St and stop, S, T. Pull and plane, P, L. Fur and frog, F, R. Tur and train, T, R. Sh and ship, S, H. Th and thick, T, H. The and this, T, H. Bull and block, B, L. Cool and clock, C, L. Full and flake, F, L. Glue and glue, G, L. That was pretty fast. That was about as fast as I can flip the cards. Now, let's do the blue cards. We'll do these ones fast too. Maybe not quite as fast, but we'll do them fast. You ready? Burr and bride, B, R. Dur and drum, D, R. Purr and pray, P, R. Gur and grin, G, R. Sm and smoke, S, M. Sk and scat, S, C. Sk and skate, S, K. Sp and spade, S, P. Cur and crab, C, R. Tw and twins, T, W. Spool and splash, S-P-L. Spool and splash, S-P-L. Spur and sprain, S-P-R. Spur and sprain, S-P-R. Scur and scream, S-C-R. Scur and scream, S-C-R. Squa and squeak, S-Q-U. Squa and squeak, S-Q-U. Sn and snack, S-N. Soul and sleep, S-L. Stir and stream, S-T-R. Stir and stream, S-T-R. Swa and swim, S-W. All right, good job. Now we're going to do our orange cards, and we won't do these ones as fast because they're still pretty new. Okay, you ready? Thur and three, T-H-R. Thur and three, T-H-R. R and stars, A-R. Ch and church, C-H. Or in morning, O-R. Ow and out, O-U. Ow and owl, O-W. O and bowl, O-W. In verse, E-R. In nurse, U-R. In bird, I-R. Oi in coin, O-I. Oi in boy, O-Y. In book, O-O. Ooh in tooth, O-O. All right, good job, boys and girls. Now we have our two new special sounds. Whir in worms, W-O-R. I in night, I-G-H. Let's practice those. Were in worm, W-O-R. Were in worms, W-O-R. I in night, I-G-H. I in night, I-G-H. Were in worms, W-O-R. Were in worms, W-O-R. I in night, I-G-H. I in night, I-G-H. All right, now we're going to do some flashcards, just a few, but they're going to be for those sounds. Okay, now first of all, we've got were in worms, W-O-R. All right, and you're going to read these words for me. Okay. Let me see here. Okay. Were in worms. Okay, the E is silent. Worse. 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 Okay. Now look at this one. Were. Worm. Worm. And look at, hold on, these are stuck. Look at this one. Were, work, work. Very good. Now, I in night, I-G-H. All right, I want you to try to read this word for me. Light, light, light. Now read this one. I, high. That means high, like really high up in the air. And this one. Night. All right, good job, boys and girls. Now we're going to go ahead and move on to our numbers. All right, we're going to start with our double song. Are you ready? 1 and 1 is 2, and 2 and 2 is 4. 3 and 3 is 6, so now let's try some more. 4 and 4 is 8, and 5 and 5 is 10. 6 and 6 is 12, so now let's start again. 1 and 1 is 2, and 2 and 2 is 4. 3 and 3 is 6, so now let's try some more. 4 and 4 is 8, and 5 and 5 is 10. 6 and 6 is 12, and now we've reached the end. Very good, boys and girls. Let's go over our addition families. We're only going to do 3 different ones today. Start with the 5 addition families. You ready? 0 plus 5 equals 5. 5 plus 0 equals 5. 1 plus 4 equals 5. 4 plus 1 equals 5. 2 plus 3 equals 5. 3 plus 2 equals 5. All right, again. 0 plus 5 equals 5. 5 plus 0 equals 5. 1 plus 4 equals 5. 4 plus 1 equals 5. 2 plus 3 equals 5. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Very good. Now the 6 addition family. 0 plus 6 equals 6. 6 plus 0 equals 6. 1 plus 5 equals 6. 5 plus 1 equals 6. 2 plus 4 equals 6. 4 plus 2 equals 6. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Again, 0 plus 6 equals 6. 6 plus 0 equals 6. 1 plus 5 equals 6. 5 plus 1 equals 6. 2 plus 4 equals 6. 4 plus 2 equals 6. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Very good. And now the 7 addition family. 0 plus 7 equals 7. 7 plus 0 equals 7. 1 plus 6 equals 7. 6 plus 1 equals 7. 2 plus 5 equals 7. 5 plus 2 equals 7. 3 plus 4 equals 7. 4 plus 3 equals 7. All right, let's do that again. 0 plus 7 equals 7. 7 plus 0 equals 7. 1 plus 6 equals 7. 6 plus 1 equals 7. 2 plus 5 equals 7. 5 plus 2 equals 7. 3 plus 4 equals 7. 4 plus 3 equals 7. Very good. Now we're going to do some flashcards, some addition flashcards. All right, we'll do them like we always do. Ready? 7. 0 plus 7 equals 7. 7. 4 plus 3 equals 7. 7. 2 plus 5 equals 7. 5. 3 plus 2 equals 5. 6. 4 plus 2 equals 6. 7. 5 plus 2 equals 7. 7. 3 plus 4 equals 7. 5. 1 plus 4 equals 5. 6. 3 plus 3 equals 6. 5. 2 plus 3 equals 5. 4. 2 plus 2 equals 4. All right, good job, guys. Now let's go over our money. Just a quick review. All right, let's sing the song, then I'm going to ask you about how much things are worth. All right, you ready? Penny, penny, easily spent, copper brown and worth 1 cent. Nickel, nickel, thick and fat, worth 5 cents, I know that. Dime, dime, little and thin, I remember you're worth 10. Quarter, quarter, big and bold, you're worth 25, I am told. All right, boys and girls, what's the name of this coin? Penny. How much is a penny worth? 1 cent. And what do we count by when we count pennies? Ones, that's right. Now, boys and girls, what is this called? Nickel. And how much is a nickel worth? 5 cents. And what do we count by when we count nickels? Fives. And what is this coin called? Dime. How much is a dime worth? 10 cents. And what do we count by when we count dimes? Tens. Boys and girls, what is this coin called? Quarter. How much is a quarter worth? 25 cents. And what do we count by when we count quarters? 25s. Very good. Now, boys and girls, the last thing that we're going to do is we are going to tell what time it is and write it on the board. All right, so tell me what time this is. 2:30. 2:30. So, what do we put on the first line for 2:30? 2. And what do we write on the second line? 30. 30. All right, now tell me what time this is. 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock. How do we write 7 o'clock on the board? What do we write on the first line? 7. And what do we write on the second line? 0, 0 for o'clock. 7 o'clock. All right, and one more, boys and girls. What time is this? 9:15. 9:15. So what do we put on the first line? 9. And what do we put on the second line? 15. 1, 5. 9:15. All right, very good, boys and girls. Now our last thing that we're going to do is we are going to add the missing number. We're going to put in the missing number. What is the missing number? All right, look at the blue ones. We got a blank, so that's where we're going to fill it in. Then we've got 11 and 12. So we're looking for the before number. Okay, so what comes before 11 and 12? Right before. 10. Just like if we counted 9, 10, 11, 12. Very good. Now, this is the pink one. We're missing the between number, the middle number. All right, so what comes between these numbers? What will we put in the blank? 20. Okay, because when we count, we say 19, 20, 21. Very good. And the last one, the purple ones. Okay, we're going to put the after number. So what is the after number that we're going to put in? 47. Because when we count 45, 46, 47. All right, good job, boys and girls. We are all finished for today. You guys do really good work and have a great day.